It is our last morning at our little getaway, and it is the end of December, and I don't know if you can hear it, but there's an awful lot of birds talking. Like hundreds. Anybody know what kind of birds these are? Obviously I can hear the crow. But I don't know what these other birds are. And we certainly never heard this much noise in Maine at the end of December. They're everywhere. What are they? Anybody know? We're currently in southwestern Virginia, right where Tennessee and Kentucky meet up with Virginia. What are we at? Thanks. Join us on Twitch to see the goats live.